Hi, this is David with eminitradingstrategies.com. This morning we're going to attempt to take a short normal system entry, do some trading for income this morning here on the 30-year bond market. We're close to getting a normal system entry right around this 1831 level. If we do, I'm going to go short right at 1831. Now remember, the bonds are 31 and a quarter a tick, so just a couple ticks is pretty nice income. Over $500 trading 10 contracts profit even after commissions. Our long term is short, so we like that. We're just trying to catch the short term tick chart, which has already made a small move up during this little bit right here. The short term made a little bit up. Had a few ticks there to be made, but we're just going to wait for the short NSE. That's the normal system entry. That's illustrated by our Pro Indicator software, which you see right here. You should see when this bar closes, we should get a normal system entry to the short side. If we do, we're going to jump in. We're going to go for a 2 to 3 tick target. It's always easier to make 1 or 2 ticks, and it's very respectable doing it on a bond market because, again, with the higher tick volume. But I like to stretch out and make a little more. I like to grab about 3 ticks off it if I could. So we're going to pause the video, wait for the signal. I need to keep these videos pretty short, so I'm going to pause the video, and we'll be back when and if we get the signal. Alright, we're closer to getting a signal. There we go. We're going to jump right in here at 30. We're short the 30-year bonds, just day trading for income. I do it every day on the S&P 500. We got a lot of interest in the bond market because of the higher tick value. 1 tick in the S&P, 1 tick in the bonds is nearly 2.5 ticks of the S&P, almost 3 ticks. So really, a 2 tick target is like hitting a home run, which we're already at right now. But we're going to go ahead and grab the whole 3 ticks if we can. This thing looks like it wants to drop really quick, so could have already jumped off at a 2 tick target. Let's see if this thing wants to run down here and hit 27 for a nice 3 ticks. If not, I'm not against dropping it here to 28 and just grabbing a 2 ticks, because that's a really nice trade. But we did have a big spike there, so that may be the beginning of a downward trend here. And also that the long term is also short and really hasn't done anything. See, Pro Indicator seeing it way back here. It really hasn't done anything. This is a high probability trade that we can see some downward movement right around to 20, 22 area. So looking for 27, which we already have, it's not too bad of a trade. So we could have stayed in right there for a bit more, but we trade for income. So I guess that was a quick video. We traded 10 contracts off the 30-year. We had a long-term trend, so we picked up a quicker term tick chart and just grabbed a quick scalp. But again, trading the bonds, just 3 measly ticks. After commissions, $902.50, and it's only 9 o'clock in the morning. Not too shabby. So let's wrap it up right there. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.